The Mumbai Heroes versus the host, the Telugu Warriors. It's going to be a cracker of a game, so don't go anywhere. We are at the toss and we've got a little presentation party over here. We've got Sohail Khan, owner of the Mumbai Heroes. We've got Sunil Shetty, captain of the Mumbai Heroes. Unfortunately, he's not playing this game. We've got Mr. Anurag Sharma, Hyderabad Police Commissioner. Mr. T. Subarami Reddy, Member of Parliament. Mr. A. Thirumal Reddy, co-owner of the Telugu Warriors. Mr. Ram Charan. We've also got Mr. Birala, match referee for the game. Captain Venkatesh for the Telugu Warriors and proxy captain Aftab Shivdasani over here. Mr. Birala, have you got the coin ready for us, please? It's Mr. Venkatesh.
It's heads.
It's heads.
Yeah.
and Mumbai Heroes have won the toss. Aftab, what are you going to do?
We're going to bat.
You're going to have a bat. Any reasons for that?
I don't know. The pitch looks good. I think we're going to try and make the most of the pitch earlier on. And I think we have a decent batting side. So we want to put some runs on the board and give it to Venki sir to chase.
Any changes from your team from the first game? It was a really close game that you all lost. Any changes?
Yeah, unfortunately, our captain Sunil is not playing. He's injured his hand. And Sonu's not playing. We have Kabir Sadanand and Bobby Deol coming in for them.
All right, Aftab, good luck for the game. I've got the legend Venkatesh here with me. Won the first game very, very comfortably. Any changes in your team?
Yeah, we have Ram Charan coming in. It's nice to have him in our team. And so we are going to field today, and let's go and have a good match.
Would you have fielded if you had won the toss, or would you have liked to have bat?
No, it doesn't matter. I think we've got a balanced team who will take up the match as it comes. And I think we are pretty confident about winning the match.
Well, good luck once again, and good luck for the tournament as well.
Thank you.
That's the news from the center. Mumbai Heroes have won the toss and they've decided to bat. They don't want scoreboard pressure. They want to put scoreboard pressure on the Telugu Warriors. Let's see how the match pans out.
The Telugu Warriors, led by Venkatesh, superstar. They notched up a handy win in the opening match they played this season in Siliguri. And you know exactly who the crowd is rooting for. The Telugu Warriors enjoying a whole lot of home support. This stadium is packed to the rafters, the LB Stadium in Hyderabad. And I tell you what, it's going to be a cracker of a game.
Raman, and this is going to be a cracker of a game, as you rightly mentioned, because Telugu Warriors is a very strong team led by the superstar Venkatesh, and Mumbai Heroes led today by Aftab Shivdasani. Of course, Sunil Shetty, the last game, injured his hand. That's the reason he's not playing in this game. And both the openers for Mumbai Heroes are down there in the middle. And they need a good start up front. That's going to be very, very important for them. And they won the toss, choosing to bat first. They would like to cash in the power plays in the first 6 overs. That's going to be pretty important for them.
Yash Tonk to open the batting for the Mumbai Heroes. He's the man on strike at the moment. Well, they'd be expecting him to go hammer and tongs against this very potent Telugu Warriors bowling attack, especially with the new ball. Of course, at the non-striker's end is going to be Sunny Singh. So Yash Tonk and Sunny Singh to open the batting for the Mumbai Heroes.
Yes, and it's going to be Raghu to start the proceedings for Telugu Warriors. Coming on from the pavilion end, he's got a slip in place. In fact, the slip is pretty wide. And the first ball of this game coming up. That's a good delivery right on the button there. Good defensive prod as well from Yash Tonk.
Raghu was very impressive in the game against the Bengal Tigers at Siliguri last weekend. Got them the early breakthroughs, and the Telugu Warriors romped home to a very handy win, losing just 1 wicket, winning that match by 9 wickets.
Yeah, the lights are on. Definitely the new ball will dart about a bit. And there's also a fair amount of breeze blowing across the ground from the right to the left. That will assist the in-swinging bowlers, especially from the end where Raghu is bowling at the moment. That's played well. Opens his account here, Yash. Also Mumbai Heroes off the mark.
Yes, Yash Tonk's off the mark. You'll have to give credit to the organisers. I said it earlier in the afternoon as well, and I'd say it again. There was rain lashing this ground yesterday around the same time, and one thought that will it be possible to get a game in today? But I think credit to the organisers for making sure they got the ground into playable condition, and we've had both the double headers. A good delivery. Just angling it in, a hint of in-swing as well. And Sunny also gets off the mark. So 2 on the board. A sedate start here for the Mumbai Heroes.
Yes, both the openers off the mark, and that's a big relief. That's the team owner for Mumbai Heroes, Sohail Khan. Outside a streaky shot, that will race. In fact, there's a man in the deep just cutting it off. Will settle for a single.
Brilliant fielding
It was a
effort
good
there.
fielding effort in the deep. Yash managing a single there. Well, a streaky shot. Now again, it's that hint of movement that Raghu gets. Didn't get behind the line of the delivery at all, did Yash Tonk. A valiant effort by the wicketkeeper, but in vain.
But this is a good start. I think Raghu has started off in the right earnest. He's bowling the right lines. That's again a good delivery to finish a very good over. After 1 is 3 without loss.
That's the lineup for both the teams playing match number 8 of the Kalyan Jewellers Celebrity Cricket League Season 3. Telugu Warriors led by Venkatesh. Mumbai Heroes today being captained by Aftab Shiv Dasani. In the end, the final over, they were beaten by the Bhojpuri Dabangs.
Interesting ploy here, starting with the spinner from the other end. It's Vishwa. First delivery definitely loose and never easy for a spinner to grip the new ball. That's Sunil Shetty, his left hand injured. That's a good delivery, giving the ball a bit of loop as well.
Good fielding effort by Shrikant at the short fine leg position. Now Vishwa really is tossing the ball up. I think he's not getting enough grip with the amount of lacquer that the new ball has. It's difficult to grip early on for a spinner. I think he's giving it more flight than what he intends.
That's played well, that's hammered on the front foot. That will be the first boundary of this game. Lovely execution. They are delighted. Bamchika Wawa shot.
Yes, got right to the pitch of the ball. Head very still as he played it. It's Sunny, and that was a cracking hit, yes, towards the wide-ish mid-off position for 4. And he goes again, this time down the ground. Long on his back. Oh, great effort to try and get to the ball by Teja, but unfortunately unable to stop it at the last minute, much to Chitrangda's delight. Supporting the Mumbai Heroes team, the brand ambassador for the Mumbai Heroes.
Yeah, this is the kind of over they needed, and they are pretty happy. This was a good strike, a clean strike from Sunny. He's not messing around. Already 2 boundaries in this over, which is a productive one. And this time going on the onside. That's terrific. 3 in a row from Sunny.
Well, the crowd's loving it, and so too is the Mumbai Heroes dugout. Whole lot of support here, but Sunny, I think, credit to his batting capabilities, forced the bowler to drop this one a little short because the previous 2 deliveries were hit down the ground. So the bowler dropping it a tad short. He knew that was coming. Used the crease very well. Got onto the back foot to hit it away towards square leg.
Once again flighting and dispatched. Dispatched with a lot of authority. It's another boundary to end the over. 16 without loss.
Tell you what, it's being called a no ball as well. So they'll have to come down and bowl that one again. Will Vishwa. Oh, 20 runs off this over already. And he's getting a whole lot of advice. Now this one I think slipped out of his hand. And that's the reason why it's been called the no ball. Because of height, over waist height. Take a look at it from the side angle. Yes, we'll have to come back and bowl it again.
Just tapping that one will result in a single to finish the over. 24 without loss.
End of the fantastic.
टॉस जीत के पहले बल्लेबाजी करती हुई मुंबई हीरोज की टीम अभी तक एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है, खासकर जिस अंदाज से सनी ने बल्लेबाजी की है। आक्रामक शैली में नजर आ रहे हैं, कुछ बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक्स खेले हैं और यश भी उनका अच्छा साथ देते हुए, पर सनी की जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए रमन उतनी कम।
बिल्कुल सही अजय, जिस तरह से पिछले ओवर के अंदर 20 रन बटोरे और एक और करारा प्रहार, इस बार डाउन द ग्राउंड 4 रन और एक और बम छिका हुआ मोमेंट यहाँ पर टीम मुंबई हीरोज के लिए। सुनील शेट्टी पूरी तरह से मजा लेते हुए सनी सिंह की बल्लेबाजी का।
बिल्कुल, और कोई भी वक्त यहाँ पे जाया नहीं कर रहे हैं, बिल्कुल सीधे बल्ले से खेला। और सोहेल खान जो कि टीम ओनर है, लगभग रिप्ले करते हुए डगआउट में आनंद ले रहे हैं पूरा। और यही मजा है CCL का, यही अब एक बेहतरीन चीज नजर आती है कि बल्लेबाज तो बीच में अच्छा खेल ही रहा है, जो डगआउट है वो भी आनंद लेता हुआ।
अच्छी बल्लेबाजी करते हुए यहाँ पर सनी सिंह रिस्पेक्टफुली खेला इस बार, गेंद को सही गेंद को पिक कर रहे हैं अटैक करने के लिए, यही है खासियत उनकी पारी में आज। और मुझे लगता है कि ऑफ स्पिनर को लगाना दूसरे ओवर में थोड़ा सा घातक साबित हुआ टीम तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के लिए।
थोड़ी सी पटकी हुई गेंद, बिल्कुल ढीले हाथों से खेला, गैप में खेला, अच्छा तालमेल अब दोनों ही बल्लेबाजों के बीच ही करना होगा। रन तो आ रहे हैं, बाउंड्रीज हमने पिछले ओवर में देखी, इस ओवर में देखी एक, और कहने का अगर स्ट्राइक रोटेट करते हैं तो अधिक दबाव बढ़ता है गेंदबाज के ऊपर।
वेंकटेश टीम के कप्तान तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के, ओह, और इस बार अंदरूनी किनारा लगने की यहाँ पर गुंजाइश नहीं, बेल्स हिल गई हैं लगता है यहाँ पर। और यश टोंग पूरी तरह से गेंद के ऊपर खेल बैठे और बोल्ड होकर वापस डगआउट लौटते हुए। पहली विकेट गिरती हुई टीम मुंबई हीरोज की।
नए बल्लेबाज राजा भिरवानी जो कि विकेट कीपर बल्लेबाज है, एक अच्छी ओवर की समाप्ति 29 पे। सही परिवर्तन कहना होगा, ये एक बड़ा मुकाबला है, तेलुगु वॉरियर्स अपने घर पे खेलती हुई। बढ़िया गेंद और यहाँ पे सफलता मिलती हुई। ये एक बहुत ही बड़ी विकेट है क्योंकि सनी बहुत जबरदस्त लय में बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे और कहीं ना कहीं जो लाइन है मिस कर दी, और दूसरा झटका लगता हुआ मुंबई हीरोज को। वापस जा रहे हैं सनी 25 रन बना के।
मुंबई हीरोज नए बल्लेबाज टीम के कप्तान आज के मैच के लिए आफ्ताब शिवदसानी, बाएं हाथ के बल्लेबाज समय मैदान पर हैं क्योंकि मुंबई हीरोज का एक बहुत बड़ा विकेट सनी सिंह का गिर चुका है। नंद किशोर द्वारा लिया हुआ ये विकेट।
यह अच्छा कार्य कर रहे हैं, अभी तक अच्छी शुरुआत नंद किशोर की। बाएं और दाएं हाथ का बल्लेबाज क्रीज पे, बढ़िया गेंद चकमा देते हुए बाएं हाथ के बल्लेबाज को। यहाँ पे आए आफ्ताब बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए, इस वजह से इस प्रकार आउट हुए थे सनी। बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद, फुल लेंथ की गेंद थी, अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलने का प्रयास किया था। और देखिए वहाँ पे डगआउट में काफी खुश सभी जो भी अब टीम के साथ हैं, खिलाड़ी हों या फिर समर्थक।
पैड लाइन पर डाली हुई गेंद, इस बार रन्स जुड़ते हुए तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की टीम के लिए बतौर लेग बाइज के रूप में। एक थोड़ी सी अचंभे की बात यह कि स्पिनर को दूसरे ओवर के लिए क्यों लगाया था जब तेज गेंदबाजों को नई गेंद के साथ मूवमेंट मिल रहा है। इस ओवर के अंदर गति की बात करी जाए, जिस गति पर गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं नंद किशोर, लगभग 125 से 124 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से गेंदबाजी करते हुए, थोड़ी सी हवा भी चल रही है ग्राउंड में, कंडीशंस इस तरह की है, सूटेबल हैं अंडर लाइट्स स्विंग बॉलिंग के लिए अजय, और नंद किशोर और रघु बेहतरीन ढंग से उन कंडीशंस का इस्तेमाल करते हुए।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही कहा, और कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि जो लाइनर लेंथ अभी तक दर्शाई है उसकी सराहना करनी होगी। सबसे बढ़िया गेंद फ्रंट फुट पे धकेला, बल्लेबाज को रन लेना चाहे थे, बाल बचे, तालमेल कोई बहुत बढ़िया नहीं। और एक चीज और जो देखने को मिल रही है, जो भी खिलाड़ी ये 30 गज के दायरे में है काफी आगे आ जाती है, स्टार्ट ले रहे हैं, जिससे और दबाव डलता है बल्लेबाज के ऊपर, सिंगल लेने में समस्या रहती है।
जहां 6-3 के फील्ड के साथ गेंदबाजी करते हुए ऐसे में नंद किशोर, केवल 3 खिलाड़ी ऑन साइड पर। वाइड निश्चित तौर पर अशोका डिसिल्वा अंपायर ऑन स्ट्राइकिंग एंड पर वाइड करार देते हुए गेंद को।
यह अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एम्पायर है अशोका डिसिल्वा श्रीलंका के, और कहीं ना कहीं इस CCL 3 में एम्पायरिंग करते हुए सोहेल खान नजरें बिल्कुल केंद्रित, बीच में क्या हो रहा है चिंतित नजर आ रहे हैं 2 विकेट गिरने के बाद।
क्यों ना हो, टीम के ओनर हैं मुंबई हीरोज के, और नंद किशोर की तारीफ करनी होगी। मुझे लगता है कि CCL के अंदर तेलुगु वॉरियर्स और चेन्नई राइनोज दोनों टीमें ऐसी हैं जिसमें न्यू बॉल अटैक बहुत ही अच्छा। डॉट बॉल के साथ ओवर की समाप्ति, 31 पर 2 मुंबई हीरोज।